Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble keyboard. First, understand that a bubble keyboard uses soft, often silicone, domes, or bubbles over switches to create a distinct, cushioned typing feel. This design can reduce finger fatigue and offer a quieter typing experience compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. We will explore the entire process, from initial concept to a fully functional, personalized device, ensuring you have all the knowledge needed to build your own. To begin, gather your core components. You will need a sturdy base plate, typically made of acrylic or aluminum, measuring around 14 by 5 inches for a standard layout. Acquire 104 bubble keycaps and 104 compatible mechanical switches, such as Gateron or Cherry MX. For tools, ensure you have a fine-tip soldering iron, solder, wire cutters, and a small screwdriver set. Remember to prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and working in a well-ventilated space. The assembly process involves several key stages. First, carefully mount all 104 switches onto your base plate, ensuring each one clicks securely into place. Next, you will solder each switch to the keyboard's printed circuit board, making sure every connection is clean and strong to prevent future issues. After soldering, test the connections using a multimeter. Finally, firmly press each bubble keycap onto its corresponding switch stem until it is fully seated and stable. Once assembled, it is time for personalization and final checks. Consider customizing your keyboard with different colored bubble keycaps or adding programmable LED backlighting for a unique aesthetic. After customization, connect your keyboard to a computer and use an online keyboard tester to ensure all 104 keys register correctly. If any keys are unresponsive, recheck your solder joints. For maintenance, gently clean the keycaps and base with a soft, slightly damp cloth every few weeks to keep it looking new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.